In today's Ethereum analysis on daily time frame, we have this trend line for the price with two touches on that. If the price can break it to the upside, this trend line here, and close the candle up there on daily time frame, we can open a long-term buy position on Ethereum, and if we are a holder, we can buy some Ethereum coins and hold for long term. Okay, if this trend line can be broken to the upside on the daily time frame. But also we have this trend line for the price with 1, 2, 3, 4 touches on that, and also if it can be broken to the upside on daily time frame, we can open a buy position here, set our stop loss below the candle and look for our reward. And our first target of this buy position can be this trend line here, and we can close our position when it gets near to that level, and we can actually re-enter buy position if it can be broken. Okay, and let's check. We also have some supports, but it is not important to actually talk about those supports here on daily time frame. Let's check daily time frame, 4-hour time frame. On 4-hour time frame, we have this trend line for the price with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 touches on that. If the price can break it to the downside on 4-hour time frame, we also can have a sell position, set our stop loss above this candle and look for our reward. Let's check 1-hour time frame. You can recorrect your trend lines here. Ignore this one here. Why? Because we had some news, and the actually candle made a shadow from upside and also from downside, and it is actually, we should ignore this candle from the chart, okay, and draw our levels. On 1-hour time frame, we also have this trend line like this one. Okay, ignore this one here. Let me hide that. With a break of this to the downside, we can open our sell position on Ethereum and set our stop loss somewhere safe, then look for our reward. Okay, let's check 15-minute time frame. On 15-minute time frame, we can recorrect our trend line like this, and again kind of like this one, and wait for this trend line broken to the downside, then we can open our sell position in that time. But for more safety, you can wait for 1-hour time frames candle to close below this trend line, then actually enter with more safety. On 15-minute time frame, let's see what is going on. We can also draw a support here for the price, and our target of that sell position can be this level of this area here. Let me draw that. This area here, okay, and also we have a support here too, but not important as this level, so we can close our sell positions. Our sell positions target can be this level of support here, and also if we see a nice candle on that, like a pin bar like this one, or like this pin bar, it is coming here, and we can actually enter buy position there, set our stop loss below the level of support and look for our reward. Let's check 5-minute time frame. On 5-minute time frame, we don't have anything special. The price is making some patterns, but it is not actually doing something special. But we can draw a support area like this from upside, if I can draw that. Let's ignore these levels here, just draw this one here. We have this level of support here. You can see the price was falling and touches a level, then it starts going up. Okay, we had some rejections from this level here, and several times on this area. So right now we have the candle of pin bar. The price got rejected from downside. It made a shadow from downside, showing that the price is getting rejected from this level. So we can open our buy position here with a stop loss below the candles and look for our reward. Okay, it is actually a risky position. Of course it is not a financial advice, and we don't have 100% in the financial markets. Let's check 1-minute time frame. Also don't forget that today is Saturday, and it is the markets are closed and we have a less volume in the market, okay, and we can, you know, our stop losses can be touched easily, and because of the low volume in the market, lots of people can actually move market easily. Let's see what is going on 1 minute time frame. You know, the candles are not too much clear. I prefer not to actually analyze on 1 minute time frame. So this video is finished. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments, and if you have enjoyed the video, you can like the video and subscribe to the channel and follow my other analysis. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.